Hello and welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to solve a relative speed problem. Here's the scenario: a train that is 125 meters long goes past a man running at 5 kilometers per hour in the same direction as the train, and it takes 10 seconds to completely pass him. Our goal is to find the speed of the train. Let's break this down step by step. First, let's visualize what is happening. Both the train and the man are moving in the same direction. Because they are traveling in the same direction, the train does not approach the man at its full speed. Instead, it gains on him at a rate equal to the difference between their speeds. Think of it from the man's perspective. The train appears to move past him more slowly than it would if he were standing still. For the train to completely pass the man, it must cover a distance equal to its own length relative to him. The key concept here is relative speed. When two objects move in the same direction, their relative speed is equal to the difference between their individual speeds. So the relative speed of the train with respect to the man equals the train speed minus the man's speed. This relative speed is what allows the train to cover its own length of 125 meters past the man in 10 seconds. We can use this distance and time to find the relative speed first. Relative speed equals distance divided by time. We substitute the values. 125 meters divided by 10 seconds gives us 12.5 meters per second. However, the man's speed is given in kilometers per hour, so we should convert the relative speed into the same unit. To convert meters per second to kilometers per hour, we multiply by 18 divided by 5. Applying this conversion, 12.5 multiplied by 18 divided by 5 equals 45 kilometers per hour. So the relative speed of the train with respect to the man is 45 kilometers per hour. Now we find the actual speed of the train. We know that relative speed equals train speed minus man speed. The relative speed is 45 kilometers per hour and the man speed is 5 kilometers per hour. Therefore, train speed equals relative speed plus man speed. Substituting the values, 45 plus 5 gives us 50 kilometers per hour. To summarize, we identified that the train covers its own length of 125 meters relative to the man in 10 seconds. Using distance divided by time, we found the relative speed to be 12.5 meters per second. We then converted this to 45 kilometers per hour and added the man's speed of 5 kilometers per hour. This gave us the train's actual speed of 50 kilometers per hour. That brings us to the end of this video. If you found this video helpful, please take a moment to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Leave any questions you have in the comments below, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.